Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on your Motorola Moto G67. So first, what you guys want to do is if you guys are using USB-C headphones, then make sure to clean the charging port. So let me show you what you guys can use. Basically, this is very simple. Let me quickly get it. We get a soft brush right here. Now we want to make sure that it is really soft, because if it's not, then basically what will happen is you can destroy the port inside. Make sure that you aim properly here, that something gets there, and then you can just scoop it around, simply get everything cleaned out. And after cleaning it, what you guys want to do is go over and restart the phone. So to restart the Motorola, you press the power button and the volume up button. Now we tap restart and it is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now after the restart, if you're using an adapter for 3.5mm jack, then what you guys want to do is make sure that this adapter is original or certified. This is very important, because if you're using a third-party adapter that is not working properly, or it's just a cheap copy of the original ones, then they can break down any seconds and you will have no idea when or why. That's why we always use original ports. And what we're gonna do next is test another pair of headphones. So let's say you have one pair. Now get the second pair and simply check the first one, the second one, and see if they are working, so we can rule out any issues with the headphones itself. Now what you guys want to do as a last resort here is update your phone software. So go to the settings, and here you need to scroll a bit down until you guys see system updates. Make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi. Now you're gonna click on check for updates right here, and it is checking for updates. As you guys can see, everything looks good for me. I am on the latest version of the software, but if you guys are not, then I recommend you updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version. Now let's switch to the Bluetooth headphones. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go and turn the Bluetooth off and on. So let's leave the system update. Now we're gonna scroll all the way up and we're gonna press on connected devices. Now we're gonna go to connection preferences and go to Bluetooth. Here the Bluetooth is enabled, but we're gonna disable it and enable it again. So this is a quick restart. As you guys can see, it is restarted. Now what are we gonna do is forget and repair the headphones. So we got the AirPods paired right here. Now what are we gonna do is we're gonna click on the gear icon and we're gonna click forget. Now click forget device, and now they are no longer connected. So as you guys can see, I've got the headphones right here. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back and click on pair new device. Now of course we have to enter the pairing mode by double tapping. Make sure that this icon is white. So this is the example for the AirPods Pro freeze. Now we're gonna click pair, and as you guys can see, they are connected. So it is that simple. Now if your headphones are not connecting, what you guys want to do is simply not forget, but charge the headphones fully. This is very important, because whenever your headphones are at like 20% with the case, then they can simply not be charged enough to commit to a connection. So you want to make sure that you charge them fully, and after that make sure that you avoid any other devices that may be using the same headphones. This is also very important because, for example, if you got your Motorola here and it's not connecting to your headphones, but let's say your tablet or another phone does, you should definitely turn the Bluetooth off for the other devices except for the Motorola. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.